So one of the questions I get asked all the time is, how do I find houses? So this is an example, right, of how sometimes houses materialize where you're not really looking for them. So I have a appointment with a seller who's looking to sell their house off one of my caricature postcards, and on the way to the appointment, I missed a street and I turned down this street and landed up driving down it. And then when I was driving down the street, I noticed this house right over here. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. So clearly you can see this is a fire damaged house. You can even see the sign on the door. It says fire scene, keep out. And you can see all the damage, right? That's typical of fire damage. All the black marks that you see on that roof. So this is a good example, right? I'm on my way to a seller appointment. I meet the seller. As soon as I'm done with that seller, I drive right back over, find the same road, and come to this house. Now I'm going to look for the owner and then see if I can contact them and make them an offer to buy this house. And what's great about these deals is a lot of times people have insurance. So that means that they're getting cashed out and they're walking away and they've got this burnt out shell which they don't want. But for an investor like me, somebody that can come in, get a general contractor, fix it up, put it on the market, it could be a great deal. Very quiet neighborhood, decent sized house. And this is how deals come. Sometimes they just materialize out of nowhere. Now, obviously, I have not bought this house yet. I have not even made an offer on this house. But people ask me, how do you find houses? And just like this, driving around, looking for deals. And that's how we find houses. So, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.